Friends, Running Kimono here, and I'm just kind of looking for a bit of help from you guys specifically because there is an issue with curbside orders now, and I noticed it yesterday afternoon. And I went through some older notes. I went through this, I went through that. I have a friend up in Lansing who's also a couponer, and she went through a couple of my deals as well just to see if our math would shake out, and something is up. Okay, so just to talk about this very matter of factly, just cutting right to the story. So if you look at the green box on the left hand side, that is to put two of the Love Beauty Planet shampoos when they were 2 for 14 a couple weeks ago. We had a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So I would pay $7.84 or use a little bit of Walgreens cash and pay $2.84 and go pick up the shampoo and call that a deal. This week, that shampoo is no longer 2 for 14, but I threw two of them into a basket for $15.98, and the $7 manufacturer came off. So usually I would pay $9.94 and then, go to the store and get it. However, a new message has been popping up saying that your order is short, and how it's short is I'm short by $1.02, which is listed at the top. And you will find this at the checkout page where, you're going to put your payment and all that great information in. But I'm $1.02 short. And how they're getting that number is the fact that the minimum curbside order pickup has to be $10. It has to be $10 after coupons now. It's never been that way. So that's something I noticed. So from home, if you could do me a huge kindness, and I want you guys to test this out and let me know, especially ladies who might be on an Android cell phone or tablet. I don't have that. So is it just for Apple users that we're getting this special? I don't know. So we're going to opt for a curbside pickup, that blue box on the left-hand side. This is what I want you to try to throw into your basket to see how it's adding up. Two of the Dollar Shave Club shave products for $6.99. The lower price stuff, grab two of those, guys. Now, we have this $6.99 off of 2 digital coupon. I know that most of us received it yesterday, and there wasn't some barn burner deal that people were like, go get your Dollar Shave Club right now. So I'm sure most of us have it. So load this coupon, put 2 shaving products in your cart, and see how it maths out. And I really need you guys to grab the $6.99 products, because as you can see, it's $13.98. The $6.99 digital's coming off for a new total of $7.83. You know what that is? We're short. Okay, guys, so this is where it gets weird. It says that I'm $3 and a penny short. So if you subtract that $6.99 coupon, yeah, that math is out, not factoring in the tax. However, I can still place this order in right now. However, is this going to come into effect later in the week, later in the month, where you need to be $10 after coupons? That's what I'm not sure of, but I want to make sure that, are you getting this message, yes or no? And I triple checked with a Tide this morning. Tide is $12.99 for the larger ones. We have a $3 digital, and subtracting that, it's $9.99, so you're a penny short from the curbside pickup. And I went through all of the screens, and even though I got you're a penny short from pickup, I was still able to put an order in. Is this just going to be a couple days this week, and then this is going to be the new rule? But hey, Walgreens, if this is what you want to do to try to minimize staff from running around for orders that are $1 or less, I understand. But math is math, and if you're really good at math, you can still find a deal that would be $10 with Walgreens cash out the door and a whole bunch of free stuff in a basket. I mean, this is what we've been doing for a very long time on Mondays over here. So there's always a way around things. Still annoying because I know a lot of you loved deals like whenever Olay would have like a $10 skincare coupon, or L'Oreal, and you could get like a skincare or a lotion for like, under $1 as a curbside pickup. Or alternatively, like Hallmark greeting cards for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas with all the high digitals and then getting it that way. Is that going to be a thing of the past too? I don't know. So if you could let me know if you're getting this weird message, keep an eye on it. And if you cannot place a physical order through, also let me know. There's still 100 different ways around deals, but this is very, very peculiar this morning. Actually, it's been happening since yesterday. It was like a Sunday surprise, not so great surprise. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.